Guys, I was caught cheating and not confronted. Ndakabatirwa mamessage asingarambike. Pane 3 days zvaitika. Apa habi kana kubvunza. He just threw the phone at me and akavhura chat and walked out. He came later akadakwa and slept without any word. Veduwe, it was the longest night of my life. Handina kana kurara. Marimwe zuro he woke up akagadzirira akaenda kubasa like nothing happened. The same nezuro. I'm afraid kuti ndinogona kuuraiwa. I'm thinking of running but vana vangu veduwe. It was a moment of madness and I truly honestly regret it. I don't know who to tell, guys. Ndodini. I have 2 kids, 11 years and 4 years. Should I start the conversation and try to apologize? My family is a non-starter. If I'm out, I'm on my own. I love my hubby. He's a workaholic. Ndakangoleka attention and fell for munhu wandisingadi. We didn't sleep tese but shared some daring pics and chats, something I honestly wanted but couldn't get from my hubby. I'm crying as I write and I don't know what to do, guys. Please help.